The Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond, a technological marvel that redefines luxury with its jaw-dropping price tag of $48.5 million. Owned by Nita Ambani, the wife of Asia's wealthiest man, Mukesh Ambani, this phone is a symbol of opulence and exclusivity. Crafted by the renowned Falcon Luxury, the phone boasts a lavish 24-karat gold composition, adorned with a striking pink diamond on its back. Its exterior radiates elegance, offering two variants, pink gold and platinum. The former, with its dazzling appearance, has become the preferred choice among those who seek the epitome of extravagance. Despite its astronomical cost, the Falcon Supernova surprises with its features. The 8-megapixel rear camera may not match the megapixel race of other flagship phones, but it compensates with optimized performance in low-light conditions. This ensures exceptional photo quality even in dim environments, catering to the discerning tastes of its luxury users. For those selfie moments and video calls, the phone includes a 1.2-megapixel front-facing camera, meeting the expectations of its high-profile users. Security takes center stage with the Falcon Supernova, incorporating a fingerprint scanner embedded in the home button. This, coupled with additional features like passcode lock and Find My iPhone, reinforces the commitment to safeguarding user data. What sets this device apart is not just its price, but the intricate details that contribute to its exclusivity. The platinum coating adds an extra layer of sophistication, making it a true collector's item. The hack protection ensures that the valuable information stored within remains secure, making it more than just a luxury accessory, it's a statement of prestige. As we delve into the world of the Falcon Supernova, we witness a fusion of cutting-edge technology and unparalleled craftsmanship. It's not just a phone, it's a status symbol, a piece of art, and a testament to the heights of luxury that technology can reach. In the hands of Nita Ambani, it becomes more than a communication device, it's a reflection of a lifestyle where price is no object, and only the finest will suffice. So, join us as we unravel the story behind the Falcon Supernova, the world's most expensive mobile phone, where every detail is a testament to the extraordinary. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you have any idea about presenting cool and unique things in this channel, write me a comment, like this video. Thank you for listening.